Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a flip through of, it's not finished, it's almost finished, of my Write the Word little journal that I created. It's using the inside of one of my messy cake journals. So I started out with just bound the insert and decided that was what I was going to use. I started this back when I started. This one I don't know why I don't have a date on it. Still have some space. Sometimes it's just my handwriting, sometimes I work a little bit more, add color, add some doodles. Some of the pages were already doodled in because I had started them before the Write the Word. Some of them have this one has a pocket, which I don't have anything on the pocket. On the tag. I filmed this for my channel. I'll put a link in the cards for this one. Yeah, I just, instead of worrying about that it was a book page, I just covered it up with another piece of paper. Jelly print. Added some collage elements on these two pages. Just outlining the words. This one I can add something to. Just writing over and over the same on the letters. Just thought I wanted to add a little pop of color to this one. This is an envelope. It has a bunch of little ephemera collage fodder in it. I used a card for this one because I couldn't write on the music paper. And a card on the back. So I don't go in order. I go completely out of order. As you can see, these are August pages. These are September pages. So. And then just writing. It's not about fancy letters or fancy lettering. It's just about writing. I like this jelly print. I don't know if I'll cover it. I just think it's pretty. Sometimes I thicken my letters. Sometimes I double them up. Sometimes I write them in pencil and then outline them. I'll probably put a piece of paper on the back of that one. There's another card because I couldn't really write on that. On the inside, this one was a little slick paper, so I had to do it with a different pen. Another card. Just writing, not trying to be fancy. Same thing, doubling up on my letters here, tripling up. I know they're just writing it. The back side of that jelly print. Card. Still some blank pages. Sort of outline. Another envelope with some more collage fodder in it. And on the back of the envelope. This I filmed for my channel as well, so I'll put this one, I'll put a card up, a link to this in the cards as well as in the description box. Writing over the paint wasn't too bad with this pen. Doing some drop shadows. And then the rest of the book is empty for now. I love this coffee dyed paper that I did with some pink watercolor ink. But yeah, I still have a few pages. I should be able to finish them up in September in this one. yeah, I'll flip through it again when it's done. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll put a link to the printables, the free printables for the Write the Word, in the description box below. There's free printables that you can just write on the pages for it, and there'll be a list linked on my Patreon community. It's a free public post every Friday, and those are going pretty well. And you can also go back and find the ones from the previous ones if you'd like to go through and just catch up on writing the word. So I hope you are blessed today, and check out the printables as well as the other two videos if you're interested, and have a blessed day.